Hey guys, are you want to buy best RGB PC case fans? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best RGB PC case fans that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Jungle Leopard RGB PC case fans, the daisy chain ARGB fan cluster is a premium cooling solution designed for efficiency, aesthetics, and ease of installation. Its innovative slide-in, pin-to-pin interlocking mechanism allows for quick, single-cable installation per fan cluster, streamlining setup while keeping the interior of your chassis clean and organized. The fan blades, inspired by bionic design, deliver powerful airflow and high wind pressure, achieving up to 58.36 CFM per fan, ensuring excellent heat dissipation for demanding systems. Noise is minimized with 8 damping pads, keeping sound levels below 29 dBA while reducing resonance and wear. Visually, the infinity mirror surround lighting creates a stunning 3D effect, enhanced by the front ARGB light strip. Fully programmable, the fans support 5V ARGB synchronization with major motherboard manufacturers, offering 16 million colors and custom lighting effects. Combining performance, low noise, and breathtaking RGB visuals, this fan cluster is perfect for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking both powerful cooling and a captivating, customizable lighting setup. Now our second product is Jungle Leopard RGB PC case fans. The Jungle Leopard Interstellar V2 120mm RGB case fan is a major upgrade over the first generation, delivering enhanced airflow, stunning lighting, and quieter operation. Its upgraded RGB lighting is softer and more beautiful, enhanced by side infinity mirror splicing for a stronger, immersive visual effect. The nylon mesh cables increase durability while keeping your build tidy. Installation is simplified with the innovative daisy chain slide-in/pin-to-pin interlocking mechanism, requiring only one cable per fan cluster, saving time and reducing cable clutter. The bionic-inspired fan blades generate strong wind pressure and large airflow, providing up to 68 CFM per fan for efficient heat dissipation. Noise is minimal thanks to 8 damping pads, keeping sound levels below 29 dBA while reducing resonance and wear. With its combination of high-performance cooling, low noise, and striking RGB effects, the Jungle Leopard Interstellar V2 is ideal for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking both style and efficiency in a modern case fan. Our third product is AsiaHorse RGB PC case fans. The AsiaHorse 360mm RGB fan kit is a high-performance, visually stunning cooling solution for PC enthusiasts and gamers. Featuring 3 120mm PWM-controlled fans, it delivers precise airflow ranging from 800 to 1,800 revolutions per minute, achieving a maximum airflow of 66.5 CFM while maintaining quiet operation between 16 to 34.3 dBA. Installation is simplified with an integrated design, reducing cable clutter and making setup quick and hassle-free. The kit boasts 56 individually addressable RGB LEDs, offering full-color customization and synchronization with most motherboard RGB software, including Aura Mystic Light and Polychrome Sync, for a vibrant and immersive lighting experience. These fans are not only ideal for standard chassis cooling but are also compatible with CPU liquid coolers, providing robust thermal protection for both the CPU and overall system. With PWM precision, efficient heat dissipation, quiet operation, and striking RGB effects, the AsiaHorse 360mm RGB fan kit is perfect for gamers and PC builders seeking a balance of performance, aesthetics, and reliability. Now number 4, Lian Li RGB PC case fans. The 120mm SL Infinity 3-pack with controller is a versatile and visually striking cooling solution for PC enthusiasts. This set includes 3 120mm fans, delivering efficient airflow to keep your system cool under heavy workloads or intense gaming sessions. Each fan is designed for quiet operation, ensuring minimal noise while maintaining excellent thermal performance. What sets this kit apart is the included controller, which allows for easy management of fan speeds and RGB lighting effects, giving you full customization over your PC's aesthetics. The SL Infinity fans feature vibrant RGB illumination that can sync with your setup, creating an immersive and dynamic visual experience. Installation is straightforward, making it suitable for both beginner and experienced builders. With its combination of reliable cooling, quiet performance, and customizable RGB lighting, the 120mm SL Infinity 3-pack with controller is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance both the performance and appearance of their PC build. And our last choice is Thermalright RGB PC Case Fans. The ARGB Infinity Mirror Fan Cluster is a high-performance cooling solution designed for both efficiency and visual appeal. Its innovative design requires only one cable per fan cluster, simplifying cable management and allowing for flexible, customized installations. Equipped with high-quality SFDB bearings, these fans minimize vibration and noise while providing reliable airflow and extended lifespan. The unique dual-sided ARGB Infinity Mirror lighting delivers stunning, multi-layer RGB effects that are enhanced by the airflow, creating a dynamic and immersive visual experience. High-performance PWM control allows the fans to automatically adjust speed based on motherboard temperature, ensuring optimal cooling while maintaining quiet operation. Integrated 4-pin power and serial ARGB connectors provide direct connection to the motherboard for seamless synchronization with compatible RGB software. These fans are widely compatible with PC cases, CPU air coolers, and liquid cooling systems, making them versatile for any build. Each package includes one connector, with additional connectors available separately, offering both convenience and expandability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.